Okay, people, welcome to the basics of functions. Functions are going to be around for the next couple years, and let's see how a function works. It's sort of like a vending machine. What happens is you feed the vending machine some sort of input, in this case like a quarter, into the vending machine, and then what pops out, the output, is a can of Coke. All right, that's as simple as that. And so the input values, we like to say they're x if the function is written in terms of x. It could be any letter they pick and choose, but most of the time we're going to be inputting x values into this, and then out pops the range or the output values. So let's not make this so difficult. And so if I say, what is f of 3, for example, that is basically saying, hey, look for the function named f. In this case, here is the function named f right here, and it's saying, take 3 and plug it in for x. So in this case, 3 plus 4 is 7. So we would write our answer as f of 3 equals 7. Let's do another one. How about f of 2? Well, that means plug 2 into here. 2 plus 4 is 6. So we would write the answer as f of 2 equals 6. Notice how I'm saying this. This is f of 1. F of 1 is what answer? Well, we're plugging in 1. So f of 1, 1 plus 4 is 5. The answer is 5. We don't have to plug in whole numbers. We can plug in decimals. We can plug in fractions. We can plug in negative numbers. Let's do a negative number here. So let me scroll this down. So I'm going to say, what is f of negative 5? If negative 5 is plugged into here, negative 5 plus 4 is a negative 1. So f of negative 5, the answer is negative 1. I want to showcase a few things. This is the name of the function. Now, we made it f in here, but it doesn't have to be f. It can be any letter we want it to be. This is the variable where the function, how the function is written. And so they designed it this way. I've designed it in this case to be x, but it could be any letter. But most of the time it's x. And then this part over here is the output. We call that the range. And here are the range values. Right? You may also want to think of these as coordinates. Notice if you plug 3 in, out pops a 7. If you plug 2 in, out pops a 6. If you plug 1 in, if you plug 1 in, out pops a 5. If you plug in negative 5, out pops a negative 1. And we could do this, like I said, for fractions, decimals. You name the number, we can plug it in, and we can get an output value. So get used to how functions are written and their format. Here are 3 more examples. Notice this one is named f again. It's the function f. And so we'll do a few examples. How about f of 10? If I do f of 10, I'm plugging in 10 to here. So 4 times 10 is 40, plus 2 more is 42. So that would be the answer to f of 10. So here is a different function. This one is not named f, it's named g. So if I wanted to find g of 5, for example, I'd plug 5 into here. Well, that's 25 minus 10. That would be 15. And let's do one more in here. Notice this one is named h, and it's not written in terms of x, it's written in terms of d. So I would say, what is h of 6? So h of 6, so I plug 6 into here. 6 minus 3 is 3, and so the answer is 3. So this is our little kickstart of how functions work, and let's check out the next video.